In this tutorial, you'll learn how to combine pages from different Canva projects into a single presentation. First, open the Projects panel from the sidebar to browse your saved designs. Then, select the project you want to copy content from. Next, add a new page to your current presentation. Select the design or element you want to use and simply click to insert it onto the new page. You can repeat this for other designs. Use the Templates or search box to find a template you like for your combined file, and open the Design panel if you want to browse more options. Now, use the File menu to manage your designs. You can return to the Project section and select as many different designs as needed, adding each one to your new document. Use the page thumbnails along the bottom to arrange, add, or reorganize your imported pages. This allows you to customize the order and content as you combine materials. Once you're ready, click the Present or Download menu to export your combined project. Select your preferred file type, such as PDF Standard, to complete the process. You've now learned how to combine multiple pages into one Canva presentation.